Ooh, this is exciting. For the first time on our channel, we are looking at a special coin. This one is oldie but goodie. It goes by the many names, like silver to the gold. The gold, of course, being Bitcoin, and the silver, his younger brother, Litecoin. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are talking about LTC, and not only that, we are also making a price prediction for the next year. So let's make interesting even more interesting. And if that interests you, stick around. If you want to become a member of our community called CryptoPack, it is fairly easy. Just click the subscribe button below this video. The little red box that says subscribe on it. It is completely free. And if you want to tip the dinosaur for where and how, check out the description of this video. And if I am boring to you, then just do nothing and enjoy the freaking video. What's happening in the markets? The majority of the coins are just cooling off, and in that coolness, some coins are even going to the upside. Cardano, 18 cents, more than 11%. But the one that just can't stop the bleeding, XRP, 23 cents, again minus 18%. In one of our previous videos on XRP, we stated that bleeding following the SEC lawsuit could be done. We were wrong, as Coinbase announced a delisting of XRP next month and suspend its trading. XRP is plunging even more. Maybe this is a good buying opportunity, and maybe we are catching a falling knife. So be very careful. But you clicked on this video for this guy that's standing at $126. My mission to show you where we stand regarding technical analysis and where we could be going in the year 2021. Let's go. You're seeing on the screen is the price action of the Litecoin versus USD. It is the big picture, the biggest scale monthly chart. So every candle you are seeing here is representing 1 month of Litecoin's price action. A quick summary of what is happening right now in the last days of the year 2020 before we make our price prediction for 2021. Well, if we plot the volume, you can see that biggest buying power ever is stepping into Litecoin. Look at the size of this candle, and also look at how it reflects regarding the price. Litecoin is in a clear uptrend. Of course, it's not just an easy peasy going to the all-time highs of 2017, because for example, right now, pretty obvious resistance is standing at our way. We were rejected last year, in the middle of last year, so 1 year and a half by these levels that we are currently standing on. At this level of 100 at $26, I would point out as the most important level in the price action of Litecoin. Why is that? Well, if you can break past 126, we could be rejected and once again thrown down. But if we break this level that we are currently in, we are going, well, as you like to say, to the moon, because there is very little price action above those levels. So not much is holding us above this resistance, and as you can see, much is holding us below it. So keep an eye on this level that we are currently in. This is the pivotal point that we are standing on right now. If I plot this 10-month moving average on the screen, you can see that we are well above it. A bullish indication, because the last time we jumped above those levels of the 10-month moving average, what happened? Right here, look at this. An explosion to the upside. And yes, this could be the start of that. Same thing. Maybe not so big of a proportions, but you know what we talk about. A sure explosion to the upside. So the big picture of Litecoin is pretty bullish to me. Nothing is indicating the otherwise. Just one more stone on the road to the moon. This level of $126. When we break it, the moon is really the ultimate destination. But what levels in the next year could be reached regarding Litecoin? That is for us to discuss right now. Now let's remove everything and start with a clean slate. The only tool that we will need in this price prediction is a Fibonacci retracement tool. How will we use it? Well, let's go to the past. This is the peak of the 2013 bull market and the start of a big bear market that lasted all the way to 2015. So let's point the tip, but also the bottom of the bear market. Now let's use a reverse Fibonacci, touching that tip and going all the way to the bottom. That was around $1. There you go. Now I will extend those levels to this day and age, and all the answers regarding our price prediction for the next year are hiding right here on this chart. Now tell me, what is catching your eye? And do you have any conclusions out of this reverse Fibonacci that I just did? My eye is catching one simple trend line and one Fibonacci retracement that I always use as our future projection, 423.6%. On this picture, it is standing at $223. Let's mark it like this. Also, since we already got this Fibonacci on the screen, look at the level of 261.8. It is giving us fair resistance right now. Yes, this is the one that is holding the price right now, but that's just my side note. It has nothing to do with our future price projection. Also, a quick reminder of the level of 50% retracement at $27. Anything interesting caught your eye? Let's erase Fibonacci to be more clear and concise. Remove everything. What do we get? Haven't we just got a near top of the 2017 bubble? Yes, ladies and gentlemen, you are seeing this right. The bodies of our top are almost at the level that I'll show you, 423.6%. Of course, we overperformed to the upside, but that is not relevant. We did get a firm level where Litecoin was at the peak of its bull run, 2017. Will this overperformance happen again? Well, absolutely. And we will count on it, okay? Also, the level of 50%. Well, can we count it as bottom? We sure can. And now, let's apply all of this from the past to the future. So, I hope you remembered everything. What are we doing? The peak as right here, the bottom as right here. Reverse Fibonacci from the tip to the bottom. And that's it. What levels did we get? Let's check it out. Moving to the future. Moving to the future. Here we are. We are back to the future part 4. Now, you know what level to look for. 423.6%. $1,527. Let's call it $1,500. Ladies and gentlemen, that's right. I'm telling you that in the year 2021, the next year, Litecoin will be at $1,500. But that's not everything. Do you remember, we not just reached those levels of 423.6%, but also our content for an overperformance. The VIX will fly in that area above $1,500. Those levels we will not even speculate. Overperformance could be in a few $100s, but it could be in a total double of this amount that you're seeing on the screen. Let's leave this box for speculation and for an extreme greed. At this moment, don't be greedy. Be satisfied with $1,500. Since now we are in $126. These are enormous gains, right? But one more thing, the level of 50%, exactly $200. Do you remember what's so special about these levels? Well, in the next bear market, that could be happening at around 2022, 23 or something like that. Our next bear market bottom could be at $200. Amazing, right? There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Everything you need, you have on this screen right now. I hope we talk about Litecoin once we reach these levels, and especially this box of explosion and your curiosity. Now let me know, did you like my idea? Am I overly bullish for you? If you did, smash a like, put a thumbs up, don't overcomplicate things. And if that over bullishness or maybe over bearishness is the case, and you are not satisfied with what you're seeing on the screen, check out one of these videos that I'm suggesting at you right now. Here you could find some real answers that could satisfy you. Adios.